第33页阅读测验，改写时尚，水果也能做布料。
Food waste fashion. Most people would be shocked to learn that the equivalent of an entire garbage truck of clothing is burned or thrown into landfills each and every second. Perhaps equally as shocking is the fact that the fashion industry will likely account for 1/4 of the world's annual carbon emissions over the next 30 years. For this reason, fashion designers have begun looking for more sustainable and environmentally friendly materials from which to make their garments. Among the most creative and promising solutions are plant-based fabrics, namely those derived from food waste that would otherwise end up in landfills or incinerators. Believe it or not, the tough leftover peels and seeds of certain fruits can be used to create decent outfits. What's more, these leathers are highly durable, biodegradable, and cruelty-free. Apple leather is produced from leftover seeds, peels, and cores and feels quite similar to real animal leather. Pineapple leather, on the other hand, is made from the stringy fibers extracted from pineapple leaves. Not only can pineapple leather be used to make shoes, jackets, and bags, but it has also been used to cover sofas, chairs, and automotive interiors. Fruits aren't the only plant-based leathers in existence. Mushrooms also make a fine leather substitute. However, instead of leftover food waste, lab-grown mushrooms are used. By controlling the temperature, humidity, and CO2, a dense, fibrous mushroom-based material is formed. After they grow large enough, these mushrooms are cut into slices and treated with special chemicals. However, these chemicals are much lighter and less toxic than those used to tan animal-based leather. Finally, an Australian company has recently invented a process that can turn coconuts into a wool-like fabric called Nullarbor. The process does not involve cutting down trees and requires very little land and water.